प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले दिनों मैंने ज्योग्राफी में 3 अर्थात थर्ड लेसन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, मिनरल, एनर्जी, प्लांट्स एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ पढ़ा रहा था। उसी के अंतर्गत सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल्स के बारे में पहले देखें, हमने पढ़ाया था। फिर उनका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन पढ़ाना है। हमने जो पीछे बताया था माइनिंग और सोर्स ऑफ मिनरल्स। सोर्सेज ऑफ मिनरल में क्या है, द रिजर्व ऑफ मिनरल्स आर क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड विद द टाइप ऑफ रॉक एंड द अंडरलाइंग जियोलॉजिकल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द रीजन. Gold, silver and the lead are found as ores in the narrow lodes or veins in the igneous or metamorphic rock. Limestone, chalk and clay are generally found in sedimentary rocks. Gold and diamond may also occur in alluvial deposits in the sand and gravels of riverbeds. These are called placer deposits because they are found deposited in the riverbeds. Oceans also contain vast quantities of mineral, but being mostly scattered are not economically viable. अब देखिए इसके बाद में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इम्पॉर्टेंट मिनरल्स। मिनरल जैसे आयरन है, बॉक्साइट है, कॉपर है, कहाँ कहाँ पाए जाते हैं इनके बारे में बताना है। तो यहाँ पहला आयरन है। आयरन इज द बेसिक मिनरल फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट. मोस्ट ऑफ द एग्रीकल्चर एंड इंडस्ट्रियल टूल्स एंड मशीनरी इज मेड फ्रॉम आयरन. मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट, बिल्डिंग, bridge are also made from iron. Hence it is the most useful metal in the world. अब जानते हैं बिना लोहे के कोई काम नहीं हो सकता है। क्या लिखते हैं? It is the most useful metal in the world. According to the content of the metal, iron are each 4 types: hematite, magnetite, limonite and siderite. इसे बोलते हैं। Hematite is the best ore. Hematite is the best ore. At least 30% metallic content is required for profitable mining. Nearly 90% of the iron ore is found in the 10 countries: रशिया, इंडिया, ब्राज़ील, USA, फ्रांस, कनाडा। यहाँ पर पूरे विश्व का 90% आयरन ओर पाया जाता है। चाइना, Great Britain, Sweden and Venezuela. The best iron ore in Europe comes from Sweden. According to the annual production, China, Brazil and Ukraine, Austria, Russia, India, USA, Canada and South Africa. From the descending order, India produces nearly 5% iron ore of the world. Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Odisha, Goa, Tamil Nadu are the major iron ore production in India. Manganese is the used to manufacturing strong steel. Reserve of manganese are found in China, South Africa, Australia, Ukraine, Gabon, Brazil, India, Kazakhstan, Mexico, Ghana. India is Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka and other producers. Copper is an important metal used in electrical industry, cable, utensil, coin, implements, etc. Copper ore is found in Chile, USA, Indonesia, Canada, Australia, Peru, Poland, Mexico, Zimbabwe, South Africa and Papua New Guinea. India is deficient in copper and only a small amount is mined in Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. यहाँ बहुत कम कॉपर पाया जाता था। Bauxite. Aluminium is an important metal in the present age as a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is used in the manufacture of cable, domestic appliance, utensil, furniture, automobiles, etc. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. It is found in Australia, Guyana, Jamaica, Brazil, Hungary, Ghana, Suriname, Yugoslavia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Greece, Ukraine, British Guiana, France, and India. In India, bauxite is mined in Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, etc. Extent of the aluminium from bauxite is done by electrolytic smelting process. It requires large amount of electrical energy. Therefore, aluminium is manufactured mostly in developed countries. Conservation of minerals. Mineral resources are limited while their demand is increasing day by day. Developed countries with 60% world's population consume disproportionate amount of mineral resources. The United States of America, Western Europe and Japan consume about 70% of the all aluminium, copper and nickel extracted from the earth. Existing mineral reserve cannot fulfill the growing human demand. Therefore, there is a need to find substitutes and save mineral resources. Recycling of used or discarded metals like aluminium is an effective measure of conservation of metallic minerals. Minerals may also be conserved by using efficient method of mining and processing. This would save harmful wastage. अब एनर्जी रिसोर्सेज के बारे में कल बताएंगे। इतना पढ़ के आइए।